I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Setting up two-factor authentication to FA on your Xbox app can seem daunting, but it is a straightforward process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Sign into your Microsoft account. Go to the Xbox app on your web browser and log in with your Microsoft account credentials. This is necessary to access your security settings. Step 2. Navigate to security settings. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password string checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Enable two-step verification. In the security settings, look for the option labeled two-step verification and toggle it on. This will prompt you to set up your preferred verification method. Step 4. Choose your verification method. You can select to receive codes via text message or an authenticator app. If you choose the authenticator app, make sure to download one like Microsoft Authenticator. Note, if you select the authenticator app, you will need to scan a QR code that appears on your screen. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After selecting your verification method, follow the prompts to confirm your choice. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the settings. Now you're all set. With 2FA enabled, your Xbox account will be much more secure. Enjoy gaming with peace of mind.